Meaning of distinctive.
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 Distinctive. Distinctive refers to something that is unique or easily recognizable, possessing a characteristic that sets it apart from others. It implies a quality that is special and uncommon, making it stand out from others in a particular group or category. A distinctive feature or trait is one that is able to be readily identified and defined. Examples of things that can be described as distinctive include a person's voice, a building's architecture, or a brand's logo. Overall, distinctive refers to something that is remarkable, memorable, and easily noticeable due to its distinctive characteristics.